In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your X Twitter account. For some reason, you want to generate extra cash from the content you've been sharing on X Twitter. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to make your account profitable. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your X homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and support. With this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see settings and privacy. Proceed to tap on this. Under settings, you land on an interface like this with a tons of options. Make sure to scroll down until you locate monetization. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Now, for you to be eligible to the monetization program on X Twitter account, make sure you meet the requirement for the monetization program. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.